Getting fit is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and living a happy life. Anyone can get fit, no matter how old they are or what their body looks like. Getting fit is about taking small steps and doing them over and over. Here's a guide to help you stay strong and focused on getting fit. Start with a goal. First, set a goal. Your goal should be clear and something you can reach. It could be losing weight, building muscle, or just feeling healthier. Write down your goal and put it where you can see it every day. This will remind you why you started and keep you going. Make a plan. Once you have a goal, make a plan to reach it. Your plan should include exercises you like. It could be running, swimming, dancing, or lifting heavy things. Make a schedule and stick to it. Remember, doing it often is key. Even if you can only exercise for 10 minutes a day, it's better than doing nothing. Stay positive. Your mind is very important in getting fit. Stay positive and believe in yourself. There will be days when you feel tired or don't want to exercise. On those days, remember why you started. Think about how good you will feel after you exercise. Good thoughts can give you the strength to keep going. Be happy with small wins. Every step you take towards your goal is good. Be happy with your small wins. Did you run a little longer today? Did you lift something heavier? Did you eat healthy food instead of junk food? Pat yourself on the back. Small wins add up to big results over time. Be patient. Getting fit takes time. Don't feel bad if you don't see changes right away. Be patient and keep working hard. Your hard work will pay off in the end. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Find a friend to exercise with. Having a friend to exercise with can make getting fit more fun. Find a friend or family member who also wants to get fit. You can help each other and keep each other going. Exercising with someone else can also make the time go by faster. Listen to your body. Your body knows what it needs. Listen to it. If something hurts, take a break. Rest is just as important as exercise. Make sure you get enough sleep and eat healthy foods. This will help your body get better and stronger. Stay inspired. Look at other people who have gotten fit. Read their stories or watch their videos. Seeing what they did can help you keep going. Remember, if they can do it, you can too. Try new things. Doing the same exercise every day can get boring. Try new exercises to keep things interesting. Join a new class. Trying new things can help you keep getting better. Keep challenging yourself and your body. Stay focused. Keep your mind on your goal. There will be things that try to stop you. Don't let them. Keep your eyes on what you want and stay committed. Remember why you started and what you want to achieve. Enjoy the journey. Getting fit is not just about the end result. It's about enjoying the journey. Find joy in every exercise and every healthy meal. Be happy about how your body is getting stronger and healthier. Enjoy the process and the progress you are making.